Good morning, students. Welcome to Akshat International School online classes. Today, we are going to start with a new topic, that is job application and biodata. Now, students, the first question which will come into your mind is, why do we write a job application and what is a job application? Okay, so let us read it out. Employment application means the letter written for getting a job. It is the primary means of introducing the job seeker to the employer. Through the job application, job seeker offers his or her labor and service for a return. Therefore, the application for employment acts as a personal advertisement. So basically, students, when you see any advertisement in the newspaper and you are interested to apply for the job, directly you don't go for the interview. Through this application, first of all, you introduce yourself, you introduce the academic qualification which you possess, your address, your name, your experience, everything you just deliver to the owner, and then when you are sorted or selected, then you will be called for the interview. So after your graduation, this thing is going to be very important for you. Second thing, this will include two things. The first thing will be the cover letter. Second thing will be your resume biodata. Now there is a difference between these three terms, that is biodata, resume and curriculum vitae. The first term, biodata, it is the old term, that is it refers to a person's life experience and achievements. It should be representative of all your personal and professional details in a specific format. It is generally divided into 4 parts. So the biodata was the ancient term for these two new terms which we nowadays speak, that is resume and curriculum vitae, CV. Resume is a French word, curriculum vitae is a Latin word. Okay, so these three are one and the same things. Now biodata was the ancient term, but still certain places you can find this term. What is this and what all details it includes? The first thing is your personal detail, second is your qualification, third is your experience, and fourth is the references. Okay, now as I told you that your job application will include two things. The first thing is your cover letter. Okay, so the cover letter will go in the same format in which we were writing our formal letters. I hope you remember the format. If not, we'll quickly see the format once. First thing what will come in the format is sender's address. Who is the sender here? You. So your address will come. Then will come the date. Then will come the receiver's address. Receiver is the manager or the owner, or suppose if a principal, then that will come. Subject and heading, the topic, that is applying for the post of TGT, PGT, or applying for the post of manager, whatsoever, that can come as your subject. Then salutation, dear sir, ma'am. Then will come your content. Content will be there divided into 3 paragraphs. Then will come your complimentary close, yours truly, yours faithfully. Okay, now let us see this format in detail. This is, as I told you, a job application consists of 2 parts, that is the covering letter and the biodata or CV. What is the cover letter? As I told you, the format for the covering letter is similar to the format of a formal letter. It is similar to the format of the formal letter. Sender's address, all this we have discussed. Then will come the date, then receiver's address, then subject, salutations, then will come the body. Okay, now what is the body? It will be divided into the content part. It will be divided into 3 paragraphs. The first para will have the letter mentioning the source from where you have got the information. Just say we can start it in this manner, that dear sir, through the columns of a daily newspaper, I read your advertisement and I am interested to apply for the job. Like this you can begin with your first paragraph. In para 2, you will be briefing about your qualification, achievements, previous experiences, your strengths, whatever, like how you feel that you are the best person for the job. Okay, don't, like, remember here not to sound boastful, like don't do fake promises which you will not be able to fulfill later. Okay, next, in paragraph 3 you are going to include the reference, your photographs, your CV and other documents whatever are being demanded by the employer. Okay, complimentary clause will come, yours faithfully, yours truly, and at last will come your signature. So this is the first part of your job application letter, which is called as the cover letter. I hope this is clear. Second part comes, that is your biodata or your resume. Now what all things this will include? The first thing what you will mention here in the biodata is your name, father's name, date of birth, address, phone number, email, marital status, age, nationality, academic qualifications, then your hobbies, your strength, name and address of the references, like whosoever people have given you the references, from whose reference, if any, you have got the information about the job. This is a very important thing which should, this is what is going to give you the marks, or this is what is going to give you the job in future if you are expecting. So here try to mention whatever experiences you have gained in that particular stream. Okay, and try to be very very accurate and precise regarding the qualifications and experiences whatever you will mention here. Okay, now again this biodata, as we have discussed, is divided into 4 parts. What is that? Personal detail, qualification, experience and references. So how it goes? This comes the biodata, the heading which you have to mention first. This all part, the first part, this is your personal detail which will be there. After that, in the qualification section you will mention your name and then the year of the qualification, the board through which you have done, like suppose it will be in the increasing order. Suppose first is your 10th class, so 10th, then name of the organization from which you have done, then year in which you have passed and your percentage. Here you need to make a table in which you will mention from 10th till the last qualification which you have done. Okay, so like this you will complete this, and then will come your references, as we have discussed here, the name and address of the references. Moving ahead, here are certain tips which you need to follow while writing your application and biodata. First thing, make sure you double check for grammatical accuracy and spellings. Okay, do not do any errors, because obviously they are going to reduce your marks. Second thing, leave lines between the paragraphs, as I told you previously also that we have to leave line after everything, and everything should go in the left hand column, very systematic, in one alignment. After everything you have to leave one line. So all this will make your work look neat and clean. Next important thing, underline the main points and use a pencil or scale for underlining. Even you can use the black pen. Then the presentation, especially the presentation of your biodata work which you will mention, should be very very neat and clean. Read a lot of letters, Once you start reading various examples, you'll get to know how to use the language. Then never mention your personal details like your name, school, address. They are not required there. Only the personal details like your DOB, your name, father's name, these things are required. Never write in one go. Means in one paragraph you should never complete that. You should follow the proper alignment, proper paragraphs you need to follow. Don't use the slang language, and try to be in that word limit which is mentioned. That is 120 to 150 words. This question now will come for 5 marks. Previously this question was asked for 6 marks. Now from this year this will come for 5 marks. In or, okay, 2 letters are there in your syllabus. One we have already discussed, letter to the editor. and second letter is this one, the job application one. So any one will come in or. So you need to prepare any one very promptly. Let us see one example question to make things more clear. Bal Vidya Public School Bhilai urgently requires a postgraduate teacher to teach political science, for which they have placed an advertisement in the Bhilai Express. You are Sanjay/Sanjana Sharma from 21 Vasant Marg Bhilai. Draft a letter including a CV applying for the advertised post. The word limit given is 120 to 150 words and it was asked in CBSE 2018. So as I told you, the first part will be the cover letter, which will go, and remember here that many things are given to you, like your name is given to you, address is given to you. So the same address and same name you are supposed to use. If you are a boy, you will use Sanjay. If you are a girl, you will use Sanjana. So we'll start. Address is given 21 Vasant Marg Bhilai. This will come in the sender's address. Then will come your date. Then will come the name or the sender's address, in which the designation of the sender will come. Here it is to the principal, because you are applying for a post of political science teacher, postgraduate teacher. So the principal, Bal Vidya Public School Bhilai. This is also given in your letter. So same you need to write. Then comes your subject, application for the post of a postgraduate teacher. Then salutation, sir, ma'am. Now comes your first para. In response to your advertisement in the Bhilai Express dated February 25th, 2020 for the post of a political science teacher in your renowned school, I wish to offer my candidature, or I wish to offer my services. I am enclosing a copy of my biodata for your perusal and kind consideration. I am available for the interview on any date of your convenience. If given a chance to serve you, I assure you that I shall work with utmost sincerity and dedication up to your satisfaction. Thank you. Yours faithfully. Name will come Sanjay Sanjana. After this will come your resume, wherein all those details which we have discussed previously, you will start with your personal details, name, father's name, your email ID, your contact number. Then will come your academic qualification, that is you will mention your school name, year 10th, starting from 10th to the highest education which you have achieved. Then will come your references. So like this you are supposed to complete one bio data and one job application letter. Okay students, if still you have any doubt, we'll see with the next example in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.